Hey friends, so today you guys are going to be writing your opinion on cold weather. Now, some of you might think, cold weather is awesome, I love it. Some of you might think, oh, I do not like cold weather. You are going to give your opinion, thumbs up, you like it, thumbs down, you don't, and you're going to give us lots of reasons. So let's look at what we're going to be doing today. So you are going to give your opinion. In the middle, there's a blue box that says your opinion. You're going to use your sentence stems to start. You can pick one. In my opinion, cold weather is, and state your opinion. Amazing, fantastic, wonderful, or horrible, horrendous, oh, the worst. Give us your opinion. You can use one of these stems. Now, older students, you guys have a different sentence stems. It just, look, there's a couple more and there are no pictures, but everyone has the same assignment. Then, after you state your opinion that you like cold weather or you do not like cold weather, you are going to think of as many reasons as you can why cold weather is awesome, why cold weather is not so great. Pick one and you're going to tell us, give us all these different reasons why you have your opinion. Now, there are 6 boxes here. I'd like for you to get as many reasons as you can, but I also know that sometimes it can be a little challenging to think of many reasons. So let's try to get at least 3 reasons, at least. But I'd like for you to keep going and show your smarts. If you realize, I have more reasons, I filled up all of my yellow boxes, there's some extra boxes on the side if you're like really on a roll and you want to share more reasons. So you guys are going to be, number 1, stating your opinion about cold weather. Use your sentence stems. Next, the second thing you're going to do is give me reasons why you feel that way. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.